what all the procedures that you can take up, or you have the ortho case where all you can use your laser. So first we can use lasers for our gingivectomy, for our bracket positioning. If some, low height teeth are there we can use it. We can use lasers to expose any unerupted tooths, maybe impacted canines are there. So we can just cut off the mucosa layer from that part, or the lateral incisor sometimes could be there. So for that purpose, we can use it. Especially in the midline diastema cases, we can use it for the frenectomies or the fibrotomies. We can do the fibrotomies also if any pull is there. Then we can use lasers for the PBM, that is photobiomodulation, especially in the patients where we have recently, put up the wires, because this patient can have the ulcers in their lip area, in their mucosa area, or in their buccal mucosa area. So in such cases, we can give some relief to our patients by giving the laser therapy, because that area will become desensitized. We can use lasers in our ortho cases for our gingival recontouring. Maybe you can say after debonding, we can incorporate these procedures. That will be more comfortable, more aesthetic for the patient, and more convenient for us also. Another and most important part for the ortho is to manage the hygiene conditions. So as we know, in ortho, many times we'll end up with the periodontitis cases because of number of reasons. So to remove that thing and to reduce the chances of extend the intensity or the level of that periodontal destructions, we can in between add the laser tip in the sulcus area, and we keep on disinfect that pocket area or the periodontal sulcus area, so that patient has more comfortable journey with the ortho. So this is the case where you can see patient is having brackets on. And if you see the first picture, the patient, that ulcer, that abscess ulcer is there, that is very shiny, very white layer is there, very slough layer is very shiny. So when we do the lasers, therapy for such cases, you need to hold your laser tip at the 90-degree angles to this case, to any ulcer area, and just keep on moving your tip on that affected area. So what it will do, this will help us in getting the denaturation of the protein layer. So once this denaturation